Welcome back. Want to throw a wine and cheese tasting party but think it's too complicated? It's not. Arina Lanis from PartyTips.com is on our dream team of lifestyle experts, and her job is to make entertaining easy for the rest of us. So, Arina, it is always a pleasure. It's been a while since you've been here.
I'm so happy to be back.
But it's been pretty busy. You've been moving and that kind of stuff, and the boys have been out of school and everything.
That's right. But no shortage of parties because I moved, and so now I have a party every single weekend.
And now it's all about the wine and the cheese.
Totally. Because it's so simple. So I had a party and I invited some friends and I said, bring a dish that you would like.
Or bring a bottle of wine or something
Exactly.
like that.
Yeah, and that's great for a wine tasting to say, bring a bottle of wine, bring a cheese wedge, done. So she brought an Antipasto plate.
One of your really good friends did.
My friend Ray, she's amazing. She brings this Antipasto plate and I'm like, you've outdone yourself. She's like, this is so easy. And so she told me the scoop and I had to share it.
Okay.
It really is easy.
Well, give us the scoop.
So basically she went to a store that has like a marinated section. So Trader Joe's, you can walk in and all of that stuff is in jars and you just choose what you like. And the key is to get things that you think most people like olives and mushrooms,
hand type of snacks.
Hand type of stuff.
Yeah.
And then also getting a few things that some people might want to try. So she has, and I already started off with the greens.
Okay. Now, what all do we have here with the greens?
Well, we've got artichoke hearts. We've got, I have no idea how to say that word. It's something.
What is that?
It's dolmas, vine leaves stuffed with rice.
Okay.
So there you go.
I've never even heard of such a thing
so
or seen such a thing.
They're really good. And then almond stuffed olives. We've got tomatoes here, yellow and red peppers. And when you start, and I'm going to give this to you, and I'm going to give you this.
So we're going to start with the sun-dried tomatoes.
Yes.
And we're just going to kind of decorate it a little bit where you've got the greens there.
Yeah.
Now we're just going to put and add some color.
Exactly. And the whole point is, it's so easy, and B, it's quick. So then you've got the reds going. I'm going to leave that for you, and I'm going to do the mushrooms. And I'll just put it right over here. I have a little goat cheese in here too because what you want people to do is get a piece of bread or a cracker, put a little goat cheese, and then, grab something to put, on top of the cracker. Or just, sort of put it on their appetizer plate. And I'll put a few of these nice hot peppers in here
perfect.
too.
Look at how beautiful that is.
I know. And when you get to the point where you want to make it pretty, use chopsticks to separate them. And if you want to drain all these things, so if there's some liquid that's on here, you can just dab it with a napkin and voila, there you go.
So this is one variation of it, and then here's another variation that you prepared, and you put the crackers right on it.
Put the crackers on the side, or you can have a separate container with crackers. But the whole point is super simple. We did this in like a minute.
Just like that.
It's really not complicated. You don't have to cut anything. It just comes out of the jar.
And you don't have to stress about it, which is the most important thing.
And it's so incredibly fancy.
Yeah.
And that's my thing, fancy, but still really simple.
And it can please everybody just because you have so many different options.
Exactly. And one of the other things that we're going to do that's fancy are strawberries.
Oh, they're so in season right now.
I know.
It's perfect.
And they're soaking in wine right now.
Okay, so we're going to come back with Arina here in just a little bit to take a look at what that concoction, what that creation is going to look like, because you're going to incorporate those strawberries with cheese. Stay tuned for that in our next half hour. Erica.
I already can't wait for that.
We're going to have to get in on that. That sounds